SST presentation presented by Sweta and Rafia of class 8A, student of YMC International Academy. A very beautiful tourist place. If you want to visit the Charmastic estate, you must visit this estate. Its beauty and charm make you wonder, and that estate is Sikkim. Lachung has multiple reasons to fall in love with it. Its untouched and sunrise beauty attract tourists. It is located in North Sikkim. Tinzatrik. It is located in East Sikkim. It is very beautiful forest. Route to Gochala. This route is very beautiful and difficult. It is located in the West Sikkim. For the nature lover, this city is just enough to fulfill all their wishes, where they can find beauty, lush forests, etc. In Sikkim, there are many beautiful temples that tourists like to visit. Many beautiful and neat and clean roads. Now and come to see about next places, that is Ravangla. Ravangla is among the best places to visit in Sikkim, especially in the southern part of Sikkim. On a visit to Sikkim, do not miss the chance to visit this place. It is a very beautiful place. And the next is Yuksum. Located in the western part of Sikkim, Yuksum is the origin of the magical Kanchenjunga and also known for the meeting place of three lamps. This place is a very beautiful place. And another place is Rumtek Dharma Chakra Center. Rumtek Dharma Chakra Center is located in the Indian state of Sikkim, near the capital Gangtok. Rumtek Monastery, also called the Dharma Chakra Center. In Rumtek Monastery, there are many beautiful paintings that are created on the walls. Now, can we talk about food of Sikkim? Yes, after listening the word food, I am very excited to see that what kind of food does the Sikkim's people eat. You all are very excited now. So let's see. And the first is Momo dumpling. Momos are Tibetan dumpling and they are easily found in restaurants and cafes in Sikkim. And the next is Gundruk soup. Gundruk soup is a popular vegetarian soup that is made in Sikkim's home. It is often served in winter season. Sinki soup. Sinki soup is another popular fermented food of Sikkim, similar to gundruk. Sal roti. Sal roti is a deep-fried ring-shaped soft pretzel made from fermented rice batter. This is a very beautiful dish. Paneer cheese. Paneer cheese is definitely a must-try in West Sikkim. And another is thukpa. Another popular Sikkim's egg noodle dish originating from Tibet is thukpa or ghatok. It is said to be spicy with vegetable or meat. Again, can we talk about flora and fauna of Sikkim? It's very beautiful. It is rich in heritage of different kinds of flower. And the dense forests of Sikkim are home to a variety of animals and has many fauna. Orchids. Orchids are found in Sikkim mostly in the tropical region, up to 7,000 feet elevation. Rhododendrons found in the super abundance in a white color. It is in its full glory in Sikkim. And again is red panda. The red panda is a small arboreal mammal found in the forest of India. It is the state animal of Sikkim. Blood pigeon. It is the only species in genus of the pigeon family. It is relatively small and short.
With a very rugged topography, we can experience very less flatlands at Sikkim. Numerous rivers and mountains are some of the main physical features which define the boundaries of this state. Along with rivers and the mountains, the lakes, the hot springs, the waterfalls and the glaciers are also found in this region. Let's talk about each of these physical features of Sikkim. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. With a very beautiful thought, let's see some mountains, waterfalls and lakes of Sikkim. Firstly, we talk about some mountains. So let's start. This is the picture of Kanchenjunga mountain. It is the third highest mountain in the world. It rises with the elevation of 8,586 meters. It is situated in the eastern Himalayas on the border between Sikkim state, northeast India and eastern Nepal, 46 miles, that is 74 kilometers. This mountain is one of the part of Great Himalaya range. And then second one, that is waterfall. This is the picture of Banjakri waterfall. Banjakri Fall and Energy Park is the recreation center and tourist attraction near Gangtok in the state of Sikkim. The park's statuary and other displays documents the Banjakri or traditional shamanic healer who worship spirits living in caves around the fall. Banjakri Fall height is 30 meters. And then third one is lake. This is the picture of Somgo Lake, also known as Changu Lake, is a glacial lake in the East Sikkim district of Indian state, some 40 kilometers from the capital Gangtok. Located at the elevation of 3,753 meters. The lake remains frozen during the winter season. The lake reflects different colors with changes of season, and it's held in great reverence by the local Sikhism people. Courage doesn't always roar. We can move forward with a thought by seeing some beautiful dresses of Sikkim. This is very beautiful kind of dress. First one is Bhutia tribe, Bakhu or Kho. The main costume donned by Bhutias is the Bakhu or Kho, worn by man and woman alike. Bakhu is very similar to the Tibetan chuba except that it is sleeveless. It is loose cloak-like wrap which is tied at the neck and tightened around the waist by a belt made of silk or cotton. And second one is Thokra Dam. It is a multicolored hand-woven cloth called the Daptar. The Thokra Dam is the primary outfit for the Lepcha community member. Usually the Lepcha bread makers sport this. It consists of a white pajama stretching up to the calves, almost resembling a karate player's outfit. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Begin it first. Let's talk some dances of Sikkim. I am very excited to see the dances because I really love to see the dance. This is Maruni dance. This is one of the most famous and oldest dance in Sikkim. The three ethnic communities, Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepalis constitute the folk dance and songs which are an engraved part of the Sikhism culture. Nepali folk dance Maruni. It is one of the oldest and most popular dance group performed in the Tihar festival by the Nepali community. Problems is a part of a life but facing in a art of a life. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video.